Welcome back to another break here on Town Cards. We are breaking a Topps 2020 Heritage Baseball box again. Last time we came out with a few good cards from here. This time we were going back in, hopefully trying to find some Gavin Lux, some Jordan Alvarez, any sort of Vlad or Bo Bichette rookie cards, hopefully autographed. Per last time, you get a real autograph or relic card in every box. You could see the people on the front who are there. Fusions here again. It's the 1971 Topps design, which is that super cool black background, which is hard to keep in pristine condition. And then over here, you could see that there's going to be box topper. It's going to be a Super Baseball one, autograph, Topps Greatest Moments, or Topps Originals. Yeah, so it's a good box. Let's hope and pray it's something really good. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's see what happens here. Okay, we got a Greatest Moments, and then we got the packs here. Take out the packs. Alright, let's start with the Greatest Moments. I've never opened up one of these before, so it's going to be just as surprised as you guys are. Kyle enters. Oh, is this Kyle Seager? Who is this? Kyle Lewis. One of the game's greatest moves. Kyle enters. Ball exits. Rookie card. Topps News, number 55 of 55. Pretty cool. I don't know what kind of top loader this will be in, but it seems pretty cool. So that's Kyle Lewis from Seattle. Alright, let's get into these packs. Russ, France, Flyer, McNeil, Bradley, Marcana, Ross. Garcia, Gallon, Cron, Merrifield. Ooh, I like these cards. Garrett Cole and John Palmer, Then and Now. Adam, Sam, and Hector. In a second, I'm going to go through this first stack of cards and you guys can see what exactly to double check on when you're looking through this box. Oh, we got another Gavin Lux. Got that last time. Connor, Zach Davies, Jed, Suzuki, Derek, Brandon McKay, Tom Edman. Nathan, Adams, Jordan, Benintendi. Hi, Annabelle, Engel, Castro, Pagan, Ramirez. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Hi! Just going through the pack of cards here. Alonso, Greinke, Ramirez, Rowdy, Marte, Gurriel, Richards, Casey, Zach. Should I say it different? Nola, game. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Strasburg, James, Kennedy, I don't know. Choi, Cueto, Oberg, Tom. Peralta, Clemmer, Cabrera, Blackman, Kershaw, Joe Jimenez, Molina, Wilson, and Berrios. Ooh, Upton is an angel. That's interesting. Eric, Reyes, Carpenter, Gianni. Game 4, Chris, Doodle, Hater. Okay. So you want to look through the back here of the cards. and you want to look above that area because it'll tell you if it's a different variation of the card. Let's see if we have any. Jessica, do you see any?
Nope, not yet.
Nothing crazy yet, huh?
No.
Let's see if we have any. We don't know yet.
Is it like a number that we're looking for? Or is it
It'll be a word there.
Oh, okay.
So it'll say what we're looking for typically is the word action on it. And those ones are pretty hard to find. But we found one in the last box of Chris Bryant.
Cool.
So we'll see. If nothing, there's nothing, it's alright. Oh, and then everything over 400 is a short print card. So if it's over 400, short print. Like that one right there. See, it says 492.
Short print.
Short print. Usually, if I had someone else here with me opening this stuff, like Jessica's here now, you could have like banter about different players and stuff.
Oh, see, I'm bad at this already.
This is what Jessica's opening the first pack.
Okay, we've got Winker, Kelly, Bauer, Rogers,
Willie Mays.
Willie Mays, sorry. Osuna, Voigt, Gurriel, and Murphy.
Cool. Well, let's see if there's any. If hers are special. Sean Murphy. I like Sean Murphy. He's a good catcher. Anything special for Jessica's?
Oh.
Oh, well.
Boo.
There goes Jessica's first pack luck. But if you start talking about this stuff, it could be cool. Like, Sean Murphy was a AAA prospect for the A's last year, but he came up and did really well in the league.
For the A's?
For the A's. So that was really cool to see him. The A's have a really good farm system, Jessica. They really do.
Hey, tell me all about the baseball.
All about the baseball. Evan Carson, Danny Santana, Kyle Hendricks, Robertson Cano, Nunez, Buxton, Mondesi, McCann. But the A's have Jesus Luzardo. They have AJ Puck, who's going to do really well this year. Evan Lagoria's here. Jay Bruce. Flashbacks. This is another subset that they have where they do flashbacks on 1971, like what's happened. There's Corbin Moustakis Eaton. Don't mind that, someone's coughing in the back. It's totally dust.
It's just dust.
Oh, so here's our hit of the box, which is Michael Conforto Relic. Not numbered, plain, kind of disappointing, but it's okay. Bellinger, Brinson, Irvin, Cooper, and Hernandez. Bogarts, Hosmer, Murphy, Martinez, Jansen, Rojas, Weaver, Junis. Anderson, Navarez, Freeman. Here's a Bo Bichette one. That's cool. Bo's one of the guys that we want.
I thought you said Boba Fett.
Nope, not Boba Fett. Michael Baez. Oh, here goes Jessica. Another pack.
Hopefully better this time. How do you open them? That's the best way to open these guys up.
I think you're doing just fine.
Great. We've got Springer, Dickerson, Descalafani,
Ooh.
Guerrero, he's sparkly.
This is good one. So this is a black Topps Heritage one. This is numbered to $9.99. Can you guys see that? So that's pretty good. Good job. Good pull, Jessica.
Winner. Well, the rest is Sanchez, Pham, Stewart, Fowler, Iglesias.
Perfect. All right, now let's look at the back of these cards, see if there's anything cool with them. Don't forget you're looking for the word action right there. Hopefully it'll show up. If not, it's okay. There's a high number, 444. Edwin.
No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Stop. Nope.
This is...
Is everybody too old for that game show?
No.
Too young for that game show? I mean.
Oh, wait.
Where am I?
Let's see here. Don't see anything yet, but we still have one more stack of cards to go through. So it's okay. Let's see these fronts from Jessica.
Well, I'm not a winner.
Nothing on this one. It's alright. We got one last stack of cards, guys. Hopefully get something. I mean, this one is pretty good, though. Just because it looks pretty.
I knew somebody who played on the Toronto Blue Jays once.
See that? Did you guys hear that? Jessica's flex. Jessica's flex. She knew someone on the Blue Jays. Alright. Last out. I think I'm going to rip it and then Jessica can open it. Jessica's very concerned about making sure you guys see the back.
Yeah, I don't want to bend anything or mess anything up. So we've got Albies, Reynolds, Nats, Andrew Miller.
Andrew Miller. Let's see what this is. White. So this is a white border. We'll see what the odds of getting a white border is.
The Shields, Boat, Smith, Biggio.
Look at that. So Jessica pulled out a Bo Bichette and also a Cavan Biggio. Cavan is the son of Biggio from the Astros a long time ago. Just like Bo Bichette is the son of Dante Bichette.
Boba Fett, not Boba Fett.
Not Boba Fett. So far I think Jessica's had good luck. So let's have her open this next one.
Okay.
Jessica's treating this like a strip club, apparently.
Super fun. Guzman.
Guzman.
There
you go.
Heaney. Barnhart. Chapman. For the A's. Maida. Or Maida. Lynn. Suarez. Baez. Giles.
Very good. She's going to keep going. Imagine if she did like a 12-box case of this. Each pack would be that noise.
Means, Slater, Naylor, World Series champions.
Nationals,
thank you.
Willie Mays.
Arias, Suzuki, Eflin, and Justin Turner.
No, I'm going to open one because
Is your faster?
I need to feel like I'm picking up a pack. Kimbrel, DeGrom, Frazier, Garcia, Giants rookie, Stroman, Shin-Shu-Chu, Jorge Polanco, and Ryan Presley. Let's get Jessica back on here.
I'll do this one normal. Alright, we got Lopez, Kingery, Whitgren, Walker, Gallagher, Ruiz, Forward, Mikolas, Bradley.
You guys might be wondering why Jessica's singing each person's name. It's alright. That's what she's used to, just singing people's names.
Super fun.
Angels rookies, Trevor Story, Quintana, Chris Davis. Ooh,
that's a cool one.
it's Evil Knievel. Yeah, guys, Evil
That
Knievel.
guy.
Andrew Miller, Caratini, Anderson, and Zimmerman.
Why'd you put that there?
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna let's save the last pack for Jessica.
Thanks, buddy.
Alright, Indian Jerky, Sandoval, Carson Kelly, Clayton Kershaw, something. Listella, Peraza, Simeon.
Hey, we know that guy.
We do know that guy. Sam Coonrod. Alright, last pack for Jessica. Last pack for the box.
Last pack.
Last pack look. Let's see what happens here.
I totally washed my hands before I touched all these cards as well.
Good.
Muncie. Ooh. Frazier. Flaherty. Dahl. These guys.
Batting legends.
Leaders.
Aaron Judge.
Aaron Judge. Ooh.
Strasburg.
Strasburg. Correa. Velasquez.
All right. Now we go back in time and we see if there's anything in the back over here. Oh,
Let's see. Anything? Anybody? Any winners? No whammies, no whammies. Okay.
All right. Let's see these guys. If there's anything here. This is the one thing about this set. They always have some weird rando variations that you don't know. You have to look at it like a million times in order to see if you actually got it. Oh, here goes.
Oh. Action!
So this is a Clayton Kershaw action. Can you guys see that?
Please.
How come it's not focusing? Focus.
I'm tired. I took too long.
Anyways, it says action up there. If you guys can see it. Anyways, so it's an action one. So these ones tend to be worth a little bit more if you guys are trying to sell these guys. So hopefully we'll see what this costs in a second. See if there's anything else in here. That's an action one. I've only really got one action one out of each box. So
how have you learned about baseball
hard
cards
to
so far?
What do you mean
Like,
learned about
how
them?
do you know that action is special?
Oh, good question. So there is a website called cardconnection.com where it kind of tells you and breaks down each series and what is special about them. So you could see what the different variations are. So we finished the box.
We finished the box.
Finished the box, and I'm going to do some live looking right now on eBay to see how much a Clayton Kershaw thing is. So it's Clayton Kershaw Action 2020 Heritage. Right now it's going for $5.95 or 99¢. Let's see how many people have sold it though. That's the key. See what people are paying for it. About $6, $7, $10. We could say about $7 maybe. Alright. So these are our hits from the box. And we're gonna put the box back up here. Just so we could have it look nice and pretty. So here's the box. And here's our hits. So we got the Clayton Kershaw Action. We got the Vlad Guerrero Black. We got the Bo Bichette New Age Performers. Boba Fett. And then we have our Michael Conforto Relic. We still need to figure out what the white border is. We'll look that up later. And then Gavin Lux from the Dodgers is also a very good up-and-coming guy. He's number 2 on projected stars for this year. And then Bo and Cavan Biggio. And don't forget this first guy at the very beginning. This guy, Kyle Lewis, box topper. All right. Well, we will be opening up more boxes throughout the week. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to have more videos pretty soon. So appreciate you guys watching.
Thanks for watching, friends.
And if you guys want me to break anything else, let me know. Don't forget, link to the store in the bio and in the description below. Thanks, guys. Bye.